Yellow paint hala, original paint.
Original paint, yellow paint ha. Okay, start. Yan lang po yung ginawa niya maghapon. 8 hours na niya yung gagawin. Mula kayo ng umaga, naguhit ng umaga, natapos ng magguhit ay alas 10. Yan o. Tapos yung kalahating araw yung pagpipaint. Ayun, the expert. Expert painter.
Okay, okay.
One side. Ah,
Face mapi ha?
yes, no face.
Okay.
No like face?
No like, no like. After Jamal, Tariq Jalan man.
Aywa, aywa.
Aran.
Kalam, remove. Aywa, 100% perfect. Perfect painting. Yan ang ginawa niya kayo ng umaga, maglagay ng tape. Inabot ata ng 3 oras yan. Pag hindi po mamadali, hindi gagawin eh. 3 hours. 3 hours painting.
5 hour overtime.
5 hour overtime.